This is Scholars Nigeria's YouTube channel, and in this guide, I'm going to show you how to apply for the MEXT scholarship for the 2024/2025 academic session. Once you are in your Chrome browser, you will have to do this. Just type MEXT Scholarship 2024, then click. So this is it. So you make sure you locate this official website. You can see the first one is Embassy of Japan in Nigeria. You can use this to apply, as the scholarship was out since on 16th of April 2024. So you can go to this website, this MEXT Scholarship for 2025 Embassy recommendation, or you click on this first website here. Once you click on it, then you navigate down. You see this research student, the undergraduate student, then College of Technology students, specialized student, college student, anyone that is your choice. Make sure you click on it. So let's say I am a research student, or I want to get a scholarship on the research students. If you see this, the Embassy of Japan in Nigeria is now accepting applications for the MEXT scholarship program in Japan. Please send your application by email or submit in person to us at the Embassy of Japan. You see this address before Wednesday, May 15. So make sure you follow this link. To see guidelines on application, you can click on this one. Then you see you are now in the official portal. So once you are here, what you will have to do, you can just come here, and under these application forms, you can see, let's say the field of study research plan is what I want to do. Just click on it and it will automatically download as PDF to your phone. Then what you have to do is go to a cafe and print it out, then fill it with hand or pen, then take it to the address given from the previous web page and submit. That's all. Thanks for watching this video. Make sure you share it, because other people are also trying to know how to apply for this MEXT scholarship in order for them to study in Japan. Thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe to this YouTube channel.